Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete a saved usernames or password from Samsung Pass Autofill service. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on General Management. Then we go down and tap on Password and Autofill. Now make sure that you are using Samsung Pass and then tap on the settings icon. Now you need to sign in with your fingerprint. And after that, select how you want to delete the username and password. Do you want to delete it for an app, for a website, or something that you have added manually before? So I'm going to open up apps. And here there is a save username and password for this app. So I'm going to touch and hold onto that and then tap on delete all and then tap on delete, and that will delete the selected username and password for that particular app. Now you can tap on website, and in website you can see there are also some username and password that I can also delete as well, or menu in here as well. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now, if you are using a Google account, then you can also go into Google Autofill service settings and delete it for your Google from the Google service. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.